Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On this video, I'm gonna show you how to use CapCut video effects for coloring your video or to change the color of your photo or video. So here you can use the video effects to change the color of your photo or video, and here's how to do that. So you need to go to the video effects first. I'm going to just show you two effects. So first you can go to retro and then find the DV texture effect. Click on the effect and then you can also adjust it. So for the noise, I'm gonna reduce it into 50 and then the texture to 0 so that it doesn't have a texture, and then the color will be changed like this. So here is the before and here is the after. And then the second one is in the shadow category, and then choose the angel effect. Okay, this one's right here. Click on the effect and then adjust the intensity into 50. So beside these two, you can always use other video effects to change the color or to do some coloring to your video or photo. So this will be the result for the angel video effects. Okay, so that's all for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you all in the next following videos. Thank you.